Hi, this is the Nature Kid, and today I have a new partner with me today. Her name is called the Nature Girl. So what are we going to learn about today, Nature Girl?
Water.
Now we're going to see some water come out of the faucet.
This is some water out of a shower.
This is some water out of the toilet.
The Nature Kid and the Nature Girl are back. Now we're going to learn some about water. Water is very important. There's all sorts of things you could use it for. And make sure you drink water every day or else you might get a headache or feel bad. And there's something else you could use it for. Plants, like in a garden. Now we're going to show somebody planting something in a garden. Not in a garden.